toxic positivity, well, it's a pretty good thing. And always being in a great mood, I wouldn't complain about that. And being so joyful that it spreads along to your friends and family, that's also not that bad. You see, if we have a plan, if we have a structure, if we have principles that we can apply to our lives, we can make the change today and not live just by default according to the way society wants us to live. My main mission is to make sure that people get comfortable with being uncomfortable. It's uncomfortable to switch a habit. It's uncomfortable to face yourself. It's uncomfortable to face sometimes our demons. But if we go straight at it, look at it right in the eye and say, hey, something needs to change. Why not? Why not today? You have the tools within you. You've been living your life the way maybe society wants it, but it's done. Finding peace within is the goal. And I promise you, listening to a couple of my principles, you'll get there. Besides, don't you want to have fun? Isn't it about also enjoying? Hey, look, I know it's not comfortable to get uncomfortable, but I also do know that living your life the way that you want to live it is highly important. People who were interviewed right before they were about to pass, 75% of them said, I regret not living the way that I wanted to, meaning I wish I was true to myself. Like I said, through stories and through energy and through getting together, not only with you, but the audiences out there, we can come up with an idea, a plan, through principles to switch it up, to get comfortable with the uncomfortable and to start to live with our own purpose. Negative to positive, that's easy. I'm telling you right now. I've been in a negative state for many years, but I know how to switch it. And switching it takes time, takes passion, but most importantly, it takes structure and habits to go from a negative to a positive. If you don't find peace within, there's something wrong. I'm gonna say it straight up. There's something wrong when we don't find peace within. My goal is to make sure that I always find peace within, but also to spread the word of finding peace within.